Hello. Our lives have been made easy by the small icons that we see on most of the modern communication devices. If we click on these icons or touch on them, they take us to the specific program that we are looking for. These small circular or rectangular graphical images that are seen on any smartphones or computers is known as an app. An app is a piece of software that can run on your computer and smartphones. They are in effect self-contained programs used to enhance existing functionality in a simple and more user-friendly way. Many of us use the computer or laptop only to surf the internet, check email, watch videos on YouTube, or play some games. Although smartphones do come with powerful web browsers on which anything can be done just like a desktop computer, fiddling about with a URL bar on the small screen of a mobile phone is a pretty awkward and cumbersome experience. For example, suppose you wanted to access Facebook on your computer. You would have to type the URL as www.facebook.com. Then enter the username, password every time. With a Facebook app on your computer or smartphone, all you have to do is click on the image and you are straight away transported straight into the home page. Take online banking. You could sign into your bank's website using the phone's browser, but it will be a mess of text entry, resizing the display so that you can see the little box for the PIN, having to sign in each and every time. A banking app simplifies the process, remembering your login information for the next time and presenting the critical information in big chunky fonts designed to make everything more readable on a smaller phone display. All major banks now have apps for smartphones. As the whole world is being rapidly blanketed by the internet, it seems only natural that there is a steady rise in the number of apps that can be practical, fun, and increase the functionality of your device. Apps are a great way to access all the things on the internet that you enjoy doing. It is said that a Nokia, Samsung, LG or iPhone user has over 100 apps on their phone. Majority of the apps are website apps that allow users to access the site's functionality in a more mobile-friendly manner. Apps are available for all types of categories, including audio and video, photography, shopping, puzzle, simulation, and trivia. I will soon be telling the names of a few apps that have caught my fancy. So, get a pen or pencil ready. Now, how do you first download your apps? Where you get your apps depends on what kind of smartphone you are using. The three of today's biggest smartphone platforms, Android, iOS, Windows, all come with browsable desktop websites and accompanying app stores that arrive built in as part of the phone's operating system. In addition to the official app stores from Google, Apple, Opera and Microsoft, the Android Amazon App Store also has its own collection of apps. And to go a step further, Android's open software lets anyone install anything from the web. Apps have become a part of life, be it to find the latest fashion offer in store, weather, even down to basics like the bus timings, the previous bus stops, or how many minutes to the next bus stop. For social networking, many apps are available. Prominent among them are Skype, Hangouts, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, Instagram, Pinterest and WhatsApp. For navigation, Google Maps. There is also iStreet View. For determining climatic conditions, weather, Yahoo Weather, Weather Plus are commonly used. In fact, there are specific apps in Japan and Southeast Asian countries for tsunami and flood alerts. Most of us love to eat, and there are many apps to satisfy the taste bud, including the BBC Good Food India app, Tarla Dalal, Yumly, Epicurious and Foodle. For children aged 9 to 11, many apps like Piano Maestro, Ben 10 Comic Creator, Khan Academy, Brain Feed, Barefoot World Atlas and Tinker. Personally, I use Edmodo, Weebly, Office 365, OneNote, OneDrive, Dropbox, Pages, Prezi and Quip in my daily activities. It's really amazing and fun to learn different languages by using apps. It is not just the latest cricket score or action, but even information on programs on TV that one has missed. Today, finding the nearest restaurant or their special offer menu is very easy. Apps also connects to known friends who are in and around the restaurant. Ordering books and stuff is a breeze from Flipkart or Amazon. Even booking railways using the IRCTC app. Astonishing is the way how old books have been saved by historians and converted to apps to enable any person from any corner of the world to see and read them. Apps are getting to be more specific and concentrated. Education apps, intellectual disability apps, mathematical apps are all available to suit each ability and need. From drawing a picture using Sketch, to money calculation using CoinMill, reading books using Questia, to curated information with Flipboard and Zite, learning words with Spellbond, quiz app, or plain talking using a cartoon character like Talking Tom. It's just amazing to see how the smartphones, tablets and apps have changed everyone's perspective. In this app-centric world, let us look for specific apps that are useful to us and use them to achieve satisfaction, happiness and fulfillment. Thank you.